Welcome back to Topic Toss. What if I told you that one single nutrient could affect your skin, your brain, your immunity, your heart, and even how fast you age? And the shocking part? Millions of people are deficient in it without even knowing. You might be eating every day, but your body could still be starving. Because this nutrient doesn't scream when it's missing. It slowly damages your cells, silently. Today, we're revealing the powerful truth about VitaminE-rich foods, the nutrient doctors call the body's natural protection shield. And stay till the end, because I'll tell you the number one vitamin E food most people throw away every single day. So, what exactly is vitamin E? Scientifically, it's a fat-soluble antioxidant. Your body contains trillions of cells, and every second, these cells are attacked by harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are created by pollution, stress, smoking, processed food, and sunlight exposure. These molecules literally damage your cells in a process called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is linked to early aging, wrinkles, weak immunity, memory loss, heart disease, and diabetes. Here is where vitamin E comes in. Vitamin E acts like a bodyguard for your cells. It protects the cell membrane, the most important part of every cell. Without it, your cells age faster. With it, your body repairs faster. That is why vitamin E is also called the anti-aging vitamin. But how do you know if you're lacking it? Most people don't realize they have a deficiency because the symptoms appear slowly. But your body does give warning signs. You may be deficient if you experience frequent weakness, numbness in your hands or feet, slow wound healing, hair fall, dry or rough skin, weak eyesight, low immunity, or difficulty concentrating. Scientifically, vitamin E is essential for nerve function. Low vitamin E damages nerve cells, which affects memory and coordination. That's why long-term deficiency is even linked to neurodegenerative disorders. Now the real question is, where do we get vitamin E naturally? Let's reveal the best foods. First up, almonds, the skin repair king. Almonds are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E. Just a small handful provides almost 50% of your daily requirement. They contain alpha-tocopherol, the most active form of vitamin E plus healthy fats and magnesium. This combination improves skin glow, reduces wrinkles, supports hair roots, and boosts immunity. The best way to eat them? Soak almonds overnight and eat them in the morning. Soaking removes enzyme inhibitors and improves absorption. Next, sunflower seeds, the immunity booster. These tiny seeds are actually vitamin E bombs. Just 2 tablespoons give you nearly 100% of your daily requirement. They strengthen your immune system, skin barrier, and heart health. A scientific fact, vitamin E in sunflower seeds prevents LDL cholesterol oxidation, a major cause of heart disease. You can easily add them to your oats, salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Number 3 is spinach, the cellular protector. Green leafy vegetables are so underrated. Spinach provides vitamin E along with iron, folate, and chlorophyll. The vitamin E and iron combination helps oxygen delivery to cells. That means more energy, less fatigue, and better brain function. Here's a cooking tip. Lightly steam your spinach. Overcooking destroys the vitamin E. Fourth, we have avocado, the nutrient absorption master. Avocado is unique. It not only contains vitamin E, but it also helps your body absorb vitamin E from other foods. Because vitamin E is fat-soluble, it needs fat to be absorbed. And avocados are full of healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. They're great for brain protection, heart protection, and hormone balance. This is why people who eat avocados regularly show lower inflammation levels. And now for number 5, peanuts, the affordable superfood. Good news, you don't need expensive foods to be healthy. Peanuts are a cheap and powerful vitamin E source. They support muscle health, nerve function, and brain signaling. An important tip, roasted peanuts are much better than deep-fried or salted ones. Now, here comes the hidden champion almost nobody talks about, wheat germ. This is the inner core of the wheat grain and one of the highest natural vitamin E sources on earth. But here's the shocking truth. When wheat is refined into white flour, the wheat germ is removed. This means white bread has almost no vitamin E, while whole grains are rich in it. This is why whole grain foods are far healthier. Finally, let's talk about vegetable oils and using them correctly. Certain oils like sunflower oil, olive oil, and rice bran oil are very rich in vitamin E, but here's the mistake most people make. High heat frying destroys vitamin E. So instead, use these oils for light cooking or as a salad dressing to get the full benefits. Now, a quick warning about supplements. Many people immediately buy vitamin E capsules, but science says something important. Natural vitamin E from food is safer and more effective. Excess vitamin E from supplements can cause headaches, nausea, and blood thinning. Food sources provide balanced absorption. So always prioritize real food first. And what about beauty? Vitamin E is famous in skincare for a reason. It helps skin repair, protects against UV damage, maintains collagen, and retains moisture. But remember, applying vitamin E oil works on the surface. Eating vitamin E works from inside your cells. True beauty always starts internally. So to wrap it all up, your body is constantly fighting damage every single day. You can't stop pollution or stress completely, but you can strengthen your defense system. Vitamin E isn't just about glowing skin. It's about brain protection, heart health, immunity, and aging slower. So from today, add almonds, seeds, greens, and whole foods to your daily diet. Small nutritional changes today prevent big diseases tomorrow. If you learned something valuable, make sure to subscribe to Topic Toss, because here we don't just talk about food, we explain the science behind healthy living. Until then, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep learning with us.